everybody, I'm Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to teach you how to start a crochet project, how to bind off at the end, and if you have a mistake, how to fix it. So today we're working with a size 8 US crochet hook or 5mm crochet hook, this yarn bowl, and this worsted weight silk roving yarn that you can all get at darngoodyarn.com. So to start a crochet project, you want to start with a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, I like to put the yarn in between my middle finger and my ring finger, wrap it around towards my pointer finger, and bring it back through that same hole so you have the yarn coming down towards your palm. And then you want to bring it up through that slip and leave a loop. Then remove your fingers and pull it tight. So I'll do that again. And the good thing about a slip knot, if you want to do another one, you can just pull it right out. So again, through the middle finger and the ring finger, around towards the pointer finger, back through here towards your palm, and then up through this little hole, leave a loop, and then pull it tight. So then you're going to take your crochet hook, put it through the loop, and pull the end closest to the yarn will tighten it. So then we want to make chains to start a crochet project. So for the sake of this video, we're going to do 10 chains. So you want to use your hook, grab some yarn, and pull it through the hole. So that is your first chain right there. So you're going to do that 10 times. So pull the yarn, slip it through the hole there, and that's your second chain. And you want to be consistent with this so your chains are the same size. And you also don't want to be too tight because then you won't be able to slip your hook through when you go back for the first row. So let's see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here are 10 chains. It should look something like this. And if we're doing a project that has 10 stitches in it, you want to do an extra one at the end, an extra chain, because when you come back around, that acts as your first single crochet. So when you go back towards the other way, you want to go in the second chain from the hook. So insert your crochet hook in that second chain, yarn over, pull through the first chain, and then pull through the second 2 chains. So then you're going to go in the next loop. So put your hook through the next chain, yarn over, pull through this first chain. You're going to have 2 left on your hook, and then pull through the second 2. And you're going to continue that down all the way till the end. These chains at the end can get a bit harder to see, so you want to make sure that you don't miss one. But it's okay if you do. I'll teach you how to fix that if you miss a chain. All right. So when you get to the end of your second row, before you turn, you want to make sure you chain 1, because again, that will act as the first single crochet of the next row. All right. So turn your work. And then you're going to go into the second chain, so not this one, you're going to go into this one here. So under 2 threads there, yarn over, pull through that first stitch, and then you're going to have 2 left on your hook, yarn over, and pull through those 2. So then the next stitch is right here. I'm going to go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the last 2. I'll do that one more time. I'm going to go through this V stitch here, yarn over, pull through those, yarn over, and pull through the last two. So say for example you skip a stitch by accident. So I'll do a few here. You realize that there's a hole there, and so you got to go back and fix it. All you have to do is take out your hook and then pull the yarn out until you get before your mistake. So here we are, and the loop is still here, and then you can insert the hook back in and start from that portion. So into this V-stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through these two. So you don't want to forget the last stitch here. Sometimes it can be hard to see. And if you were going to finish this project, if this was your last row and you were done with it, all you would do is pull this loop out a little bit, release the hook, grab a pair of scissors, trim your thread, and then pull it through the loop, and that will make a knot. So at the end of your project, you can either weave in these ends or you can just cut them off. So thank you for watching this video, how to start a crochet project, bind off, and fix a mistake. If you're interested in learning more on crochet, check out darngoodyarn.com.